Half base times height.
Yeah, right. Yeah, there are so many formulas to find the area of a triangle. See, this is a triangle ABC. Okay, it is called base. This is called height. If base is, that means if base is 10 units, okay, height is 4 units. How to find the area of this triangle?
Half 10 times 4.
Yes, 10 times 4. 2 goes 2 times in 4.
2 times 4.
Totally we got 20 square units.
20 square. Okay, square units.
So this formula is used to find the area of a triangle whenever its base and height is given. Whenever its base and height is given, we use this formula to find its area, right? But here, base and height are separately not given.
Yeah.
Sides are given. Base is not given, and side. Of course, one of the 3 measurements is base, considered as base, but height is not given. In this example, it is given only the sides of a triangle. Have you ever heard of the word heron?
I heard about it, but I don't know about it.
Yeah, heron's formula is widely used formula. So what is the heron's formula? How to use it? See, heron's formula means this is a triangle ABC. ABC. Yeah, this is small a. Small a is used to denote the side opposite to vertex A. This is vertex A. Its opposite side is BC. Small a is used to denote its side, its length. What about AC?
That's
AC
the
is
opposite.
small b. What is AB?
Oh, it's going to be small c.
Small c, right. Now, S is defined as half of its perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the 3 sides. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. By using this formula, we can find the value of small s. Small s is nothing but half of its perimeter. Now, Heron's formula, according to Heron's formula, to find area of a triangle. Its delta is equal to the square root of S times S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. By using this formula, we can find the area of this triangle. What are the measurements of sides? 10, 6, 8. What is small a here?
S equals A plus. Oh, okay.
B is
equals 6.
6. C is equal
to 8.
8, right. Then what is A plus B plus C?
6 and 18.
18 plus 6.
24.
24. So what is S? Yes, half of A plus B plus C.
Yeah. So it's going to be 24 by 2.
Yeah.
No.
Is equal?
12.
Yes. Yes is equal to 12. Now use this formula.
12 times 12 minus 10, 12 minus 6, and 12 minus 8. Well, minus 2, minus 6, minus 4, 12 times 4 times 6 times 4. 576.
576.
Yeah.
S means 12. S minus A means 12 minus 10, 2. S minus B means 12 minus 6, 6. S minus C means 12 minus 8, 4, right?
Yeah.
12 to the 24. 24 times 24, right?
Yeah. So it's
576.
6. And then it's a root. I
Yeah,
forgot
it's
the-
square root. What's the square root of 576?
24.
Yes, correct only. In the midway, you can also write like this. 12 times 2 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 24 is equal to 24 square.
24 square. And then the square
That's
and
its answer 24. Actually, we need to write plus or minus 24. But in case we should not write minus, because area of any triangle or anything, area is always positive. Area cannot be negative. Area is always positive, length is always positive, volume is always positive, time is always positive. So there are certain quantities in physics which are always positive. That's why we should not write plus or minus 24. It's plus 24 only, right? Yeah. This is one method to find the area of a triangle. Heron's formula is the most popular formula. But because Heron's formula can be applied to any triangle, whether it is isosceles triangle or scalene triangle or right angle triangle or equilateral triangle. For any triangle, we can use Heron's formula to find its area. But in case of right angle triangle, we have a special formula. As you told, half into base into height. Half times base times height is another formula to find the area of a triangle. See, here, these three values have a special property. 10, 6, 8. Do you know what is the right angle triangle? Can you draw?
the right angle triangle has one side as the 90
Yeah,
degrees.
one side is it's right angle, right?
You want me to draw? I'll do it. 1 second.
It is called right angle triangle, right?
Okay, now mind.
Yeah. There is a special relation between the measurements of sides of a right angle triangle. For example, if one side is 5 units and another side is 12 units, then the third side must be 13 units only. Do you know about Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras. Have you ever heard of it? Pythagoras.
Yeah, a square plus b square equals c square.
Yes, that's good. What's the value of 5 square?
25.
5. What's the value of 12 square?
144.
144. The total is 144 plus 25.
Second, say 169.
Yes, 169. I came to know that calculators are allowed in the classroom also. In states only.
It's like you have few questions that are divided as you can use the calculator, and then you don't have to use the calculator for SAT. So they use it the same way in our classrooms.
What about in board exams? Calculator is allowed?
For the board exams, we don't have something like board exams. It's going to be like final exams for us.
Yeah, final exams, right?
And then,
okay.
For each question, it's going to be in online for my final exam. So for each question, it's going to like qualify my thing. Like for a few questions, it gives me a scientific calculator. In few questions, it gives me a base calculator. In few questions, it doesn't allow me to have a calculator.
Okay,
it's
okay.
online based. Yeah.
All right, that's good. Well, in classroom,
in classroom, they just give us, even if we say we don't want a calculator, they're like, use the calculator. That's what
okay. Right. Yeah. See, sum of the squares of the smaller sides. What's the sum of the squares of smaller sides? 169. Okay. Sum of the Sum of the squares of smaller sides is 169. What is the square of bigger side? 13 square,
13 square, 169.
169. So a square plus b square is equal to c square. That's why it is a right angle triangle. Every right angle has this property. The property is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Check, is it a right angle triangle or not? 3, 4, 5. To check whether it is a right angle triangle or not, we can use that formula.
It's gonna be 3, 9 plus 16, 25. So 25 square, square root, it's gonna be 5. It's correct. It's the right angle.
Yeah. Is it right angle?
Yeah.
Because 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square 9, 4 square 16. 9 plus 16, 25.
25.
5 square 25. Yeah, it is called hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the right angle. The side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. So side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. That's why it is a right angle triangle, right? So if we are asked to find the area of a triangle whose sides are 3, 4, 5, we can understand that it is a right angle triangle. In case of right angle triangles, we need not use the Heron's formula to find its area. In case of right angle triangle, we just find the half of the product of the smaller sides. That means here it is base. Clearly, this is base.
Base.
Yeah, 3 is base, okay? And 4 is considered to be height. 3 is base and 4 is height. So what is its basic formula? Half into base into height.
Base and height.
Half times base times height. Half into 3 into 4. 2 goes 2 times in 4. 3 2s are 6. So area of this triangle is 6 units. Okay. So whenever you are asked to find the area of a right angle area of a triangle, first check whether it is a right angle triangle or not. See, in this example, 10, 6, 8. Check whether these 3 sides form a right angle triangle or not.
Like 64 plus 36, it's gonna be 100, and then it's like root, so it's gonna be 10. Yeah, it is a right angle triangle.
It is a right angle triangle. So in case of right angle triangle, we can use easy method to find its area. See, it is a right angle triangle, which means smaller sides are one side is 6, another side is 8. The bigger side is 10. That means hypotenuse. Yeah. So in this right angle triangle, this is side, base, this is height. So we can use the basic formula half times base times height, half into base into height. Use that formula to find its area. Half into base means 6 into
times 8. 3, then it's going to be 24.
Yeah.
24 square units.
Yeah, 24 only. 2 goes 4 times. No, not 6 into 8. Okay. Yeah.